In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted products in Shopify. It's not uncommon to accidentally delete a product from your Shopify store, and it can be somewhat stressful wondering how to get it back. However, with a few simple steps, you can recover those deleted products and rest easy knowing they're safe and back on your store. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Shopify account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard, which says My Store Home. This is your main command center for everything related to your Shopify store. From here, you can manage orders, analyze store performance, and, most importantly for today's task, access your products. Next, look for the Products tab on your dashboard. It's a key area where all your products are managed. Click on Products to navigate to your complete list of items. This is your inventory landscape where you can see everything that's currently available in your store along with details about each item. Now, if you need to recover a previously deleted product, you'll have to use a backup or exported file. So the next step is to click on Import in the product section. When you manage your Shopify store, it's a good practice to regularly back up your product data. This means exporting your product's data to your computer. It serves as a safety net for times like this when retrieval is needed. Once you've clicked on Import, the process involves selecting the appropriate file on your computer. This file should contain the product details that you exported earlier. If you don't have a backup yet, make it a priority in the future. In cases where you do have it, locate the file and prepare for the next step. Afterwards, look for the Export button. If at any point you haven't created a backup, hitting Export Now lets you save all your current product data. Though this step doesn't help you recover a deleted product directly, it's good to have all data backed up, ensuring that if anything is ever deleted again, there's a quick path to restore. In conclusion, today we navigated through Shopify's admin dashboard, accessed the products section, and discussed the essential practice of exporting product data for future restoration. Whenever you accidentally delete a product, understand that backing up data routinely can save a lot of hassle. If you incorporate this practice into your regular routine, you'll find peace of mind. Knowing recovery is straightforward. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful Shopify tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps bring a bit of ease to managing your Shopify store.